Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's some few days before I posted. Today I want to show you a trade that I took like 2 days ago, but I never posted it. So today I want to show you how I entered the trade and what I was looking. And also this trade is for someone who doesn't have maybe you don't have a lot of money to start forex. Maybe you have $10, maybe $50, maybe $100, and you want to start trading. So these are this strategy, you can do it with a low amount of money, and you still make money on the trade. So as you can see, the market is bullish, but on the downside I drew a trend line, the white trend line. So I waited immediately the market to touch the trend line, and as you can see, there was a double wick. So if you see a double wick in the market, there's an indication that the market is going to go bullish. So all you do is you wait for the second bullish candle to open. The first bullish candle, you don't enter a trade, because you never know, maybe it can come back and go against you. So you wait the first candle to close. As you can see, the first candle, the green candle closed, then there was a red candle then a greener candle. So as you can see, the green dotted line, that's where I entered a buy position, because at that point I knew the market is going up. So I entered a trade, and as you can see, the market is at 1.74944. So those are a lot of pips. It's, I don't know, like 300 pips. So let me play the video. So yeah, as you can see, my profits are already $35, and I only used a 0.10 lot size. That's a very small lot size for anyone, for a smaller account. Maybe you have $10, $50. If you would have entered this trade with me right now, you would have tripled your account. Maybe, let's say, maybe you had a $10 account, now you made $35. That's good. That's a good trade to take. But if your account was maybe you have a lot of money, you can increase the lot size. And let's say if someone who was using a one lot size, this will be $350 right now. So yeah, it's a very simple trade. So my strategy is very simple. I use trend lines and also price action. You time the market when it's maybe, let's say, maybe the market is on the resistance side, market is on the support, and you enter the trade. So if you want to know more, if you want to learn more how to the way I enter my trades, how I enter my trades, I have a Telegram group, and also I have a WhatsApp group that I teach forex to a few individuals who are, maybe they want to change their life. And this one is also for you. Maybe you want to change your life. See, as you can see, this is a quick if you're in Kenya, this is like 3,500, and maybe you started with 1,000 bob. That's a good trade to take. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification. Also, like, I'll continue uploading more. As you can see, I want to close, because I don't want to lose a lot of my profits. So at around $30, maybe I'll close it and take my profit. So this is, as you can see, I've closed now, and this is something that you can do, no matter your level of education, no matter your position in life. This is what you can do, and I can teach you in a very simple way. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and